So we're starting off. Our guide is called Chai, like the tea. And we heard some elephants already, which is pretty cool. But we're doing that tomorrow. We're doing the hike and waterfalls today, so yeah, it should be good fun. Yeah, the burning season makes it very smoky around here. So that's the rice fields over there, but obviously it's the dry season, so there's no rice. See, there's a couple of cows over there. Up and over. Here we are, first waterfall. Don't know if we're going to swim in this one or not, but... That's good stuff. That's really good stuff. Look at that fucking waterfall. Brought us food. Egg rice, some carrots. Some watermelon for dessert. Shai is making a really cool little ring. I think it's just out of like a piece of grass or something. Second hurdle. Sawadee Cup. Another beautiful waterfall. Children playing and swimming. Wholesome activities. Nice little rope swing here. Ooh, it's a bit sketchy. Get him! Woo! And the dismount. And two.
Good right.
Yeah, they're all biting me, but
yeah. I don't like it. Right. Like lemon. Not the
it's citrusy, they actually...
No.
They're tasty. No, they're nice.
No.
No? I'll have another
It's still on someone's tongue.
Yeah, I know. It's tasty.
Because otherwise it's too much.
Rice fields again, I think.
Yeah, I'm sure if you
should be fun. Here we are. Another waterfall. Trek. It's just bliss. Look at this place. Absolute bliss. I'm gonna come and live up here. Just gonna go and run away and live in the jungle forever. That's the dream. Well, I've got to do island first and then a jungle. It's just another reminder of life that these fight it!
Hey, the sun's coming up now, so we just fucking ride down.
Along the ropey bridge. Hold on, guys. Beautiful. Onwards and upwards. Piggy ribs. So I don't know if you can see, but just along the back there through the smoke is one of the highest mountains in Thailand. He said it's about 2,580 meters. Unfortunately it's burning season up here at the moment, so there's just clouds of smoke everywhere and it's a bit smoggy, so it's a bit of a shame, but it's still a beautiful place. So yeah, got a 40-minute walk now to where we'll be staying for the night. Beautiful place.
This one about 1 year ago, the people climbing on the tree. We had to get for honey. It's a big tree.
Oh, beehive.
It made to get a bamboo. We had it climbing for honey.
For honey?
Yeah, no honey, no money, no money, no honey. Yeah.
Was big beehive up there?
Yeah, honey is the top.
Yeah.
Climbing.
Wow.
No, me not. No,
You no climb that?
Me?
No.
No, I reach not climbing the tree.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So,
We had to make.
I mean, that
bamboo.
tree's, yeah, that's massive, so I don't blame him. No honey, no money.
Yeah.
That's what we like.
No money, no honey. No honey, no,
No
money.
money, yeah.
No money, no happy. Yeah.
So this is camp for tonight. Big man. So there's 9 of us, but we've all got a room each, which is really cool. And wake up to that.
That was one for that part.
We've seen the new one that's coming out that suggests there's a monkey.
Cheers, Chai. Come on, go. And now we float. Oh. That was a rock. We'll be with them in a little bit. We're waiting for the munch. Oh, there's a baby one as well. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Tenemos un inglés al mando. Veremos cómo acaba la cosa. Ya que nos entienden, no pasa nada. Es la realidad. Aquí voy con mi colega, el banquero que me ha dejado.
So that is the end of our raft tour. It's nice. It's nice just laying down and seeing all the canopy above, like obviously you see up there the elephants. We got splashed a few times, which is quite cool. Not by elephants, but just by other people. Some guy had a water gun and was shooting us in the face with it, which was quite funny. Yeah. Hope they're hungry. Yeah, feeding time.
Okay, yeah.
Stay back. On how happy they are. The happier they are, the longer they live. He said the difference in the toes as well. It's got Thai elephants have 4 to 5 toes, and the African elephants I think have like 3 to 4. Bon, you want this one? Take it. Oh. Sorry about that. There we go. He's holding on. Isn't it? Oh. So soft. Yeah. Bon. Alice and George.
Whoa!
Get,
Not
get
the phone! Not the phone!
this one. Give her one. Wow. Two at the same time.
I know, try.
Oh, get the hands in there. Wash them down. Oh, give them a big scrub. Big scrub. Big back scratches. It's like almost wire.